out there. Welcome back to DIYNAT. Got a review of the Tough Built Tool Tote. Let's take a look. So this is part of a whole line of tool carrying items that they have, and this one is called the Tool Tote. And what it is, it's a hard bottomed bag. It's got a hard plastic bottom and frame on it. Actually, the whole thing is just kind of a big plastic box, and with various pockets and things on it to put your tools in. And let's take a look at some of the features of this. So, as I said, it has a nice sturdy plastic handle. It's got a good grip size on it. It also has the shoulder strap. A lot of these bags only have the strap, so it's nice to have both, depending on how you want to carry it. Obviously there's pockets everywhere, but the main interesting thing about this is that it comes with these little clips. So there are some spots on the bag that these clips can clip onto, and there's a rail on this one side, and then a couple of spots. You can see a spot here where you can put one also, and there's one same thing on the other end. So what happens is you can slide the clip over the rail, close it, and snap. It's got this yellowish orange button on it. You just push that over, and now it's locked to the rail. And what you can do is they have various pouches that have a key at the top here. And if you put that down over there, it will lock onto things. So you can take these pouches on and off your bag and use them elsewhere. In this case, this is I believe this was the carpenter's framer's pouch, and it was designed to hold tools for framing. So if you have a tool belt, you can carry it on here or carry it on the tool belt, move it back and forth as you please. So you can take these on and off as you want. In this case, there is if I can get it to work. And if you want to just take it off, you just push this back, and the pouch will slide right off the clip. And obviously you can move the clips too. If you just, all you have to do to get the clip off is just pull up on the that yellowish thing, so lever at the bottom, and it comes right off. So what I've been doing is I've been keeping this. I've been leaving this pouch on here. I don't have the tool belt that it'll fit over any belt. It doesn't have to be one of the Tough Built belts, but I'm going to get the Tough Built belt and some more of these and some more of the pouches, so I can customize the tool belt depending on whether I'm doing electrical work or doing framing or finished carpentry. So what I've been doing is putting this on the one end and keeping this clipped on there, and that's what I've been using to I've been keeping this all together as one unit. And this has been my everyday carry bag for my most often used tools. So I've been using this for a while. Found it very handy to be able to take that off of there when I don't need it, get it out of the way, take the weight off the bag. And there are plenty of pockets on it. There's larger pockets on this one side where the rail is. There's a bunch of them on that end, a bunch of them on each end, and the interior is divided, and we're able to put various things in there also. There's also a tape clip here to put your tape on, so you can put that on there. I haven't been using that for that, but it is nice to have it on there, and there's various clips for other things. I'm not even sure what that one's for, but there's a clip there. So overall, it's a pretty handy setup, and these are, it's called I don't know if you can read that there, it says Clip Tech, and that's what these little clippy things are about. So that's the bag, and I'm going to show you in a follow-up video what I've gotten in here, what I'm carrying on a daily basis. But I mean, it's a bag. There's not a heck of a lot to say about it, but it's good and sturdy. that technology with the clips is really great to have. You can do a lot of things with it. This has got a lot of pockets in it, and they make different styles. There's ones that close on the top. They also have a new system that stacks, which I haven't bought any of yet, which looks kind of interesting. If I ever do buy any, I'll let you know. But the new system that stacks up, they have a part of this line is that, so you can stack the bags on top of each other, and there's wheels for it. So that kind of goes with everybody. That kind of is equivalent to every other manufacturer's. The advantage with this with this tough belt stack setup is that you have the clips. So you don't have that with the other manufacturers, so you can really customize this to do anything you want. So I'm very happy with this bag. It's just big enough to hold almost everything that I need on a daily basis, and it doesn't get so heavy that it becomes a burden to carry it around. So just a brief review of the bag. I mean, it's not much to say, it's a bag, but it does have some nice features to it, and so far I've been using it for a few months and I'm very happy with it. So over the years I've tried just about everything you can think of. Soft bags, bucket bags that go over the 5-gallon bucket, tool boxes of various kinds. I got a pile of tool boxes around here. You name it, I've tried it, and this is the only one so far that I've been happy with. So I would strongly recommend buying these if you are in the market for a tool bag or a toolbox. And so that's my opinion on that. So thank you for watching, as always. Thanks for subscribing, and you take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.